please don't fall in love. And it might happen when I was away. And now that it's happened, I just want to say that I'm begging you, baby, please don't fall in love. I'm usually strong, but I'm feeling so weak. It wells up inside me, I cry when I speak. But the more I call you on the phone, the more I feel alone, and the less we have to say. I know that you're waiting, 'cause now is alright. I know you need someone to hold you at night. But I'm begging you, baby, please don't fall in love. I knew it might happen when I was away. And now that it's happened, I just want to say that I'm begging you, baby, please don't fall in love. We kissed at the airport, we said we could wait. I believe it is me who determined our fate. And I love you more than I can say. Don't throw it all away, don't let it go by. I know that you're waiting, 'cause now is alright. I know you need someone to hold you at night. But I'm begging you, baby, please don't fall in love. I know you don't tell me, you spare me the pain. Don't want you to tell me, I don't need his name. But I'm begging you, baby, please don't fall in love. Standing by my window, listening for your call. Seems I really miss you after all. Time won't let me keep the sad thoughts to myself. I just like to let you know, I wish I'd never let you go. And I'll always love you. Deep inside this part of mine, I do love you. And I'll always need you. And if you ever change your mind, I still, I will love you. We should never let me love's a mystery. You can break a heart so easily. The days and nights reveal how much I feel for you. Time has come for me Time like a river keeps on rolling right on by. Nothing left for me to do, so watch the river rise. And I'll always love you deep inside this heart of mine. I do love you, and I'll always need you. And if you ever change your mind, I will. Love you. I've been so long all my life, couldn't give my heart to anyone, hiding myself as a man who needed to be held like everyone. They slipped into years, a little wife with greater tears, and never ever found me, never ever found me. Yes, it did seem depressed as stars. They should have broke all the time. So I hid inside, I almost died. Yes, I hid inside, and I cried. A loving heart in a sensitive man, hiding inside myself. Then you came out of nowhere, didn't unbelieve my heart. I didn't know how to tell you, I didn't know where to start. When I hid inside, I almost died. Oh, I hid inside, and I cried. A loving After you go, I can catch up on my reading. After you go, I have a lot more time sleeping. When you're gone, looks like things are gonna be a lot easier. Life will be a breeze, you know. I really should be glad, but I'm bluer than blue, sadder than sad. You're the only light this empty room has ever had. Life without you is gonna be after you go, it's still out all night long, feel like it. When you're gone, I can run through the house screaming, and no one will ever hear me. I really should be glad, but I'm bluer than blue, sadder than sad. The numbers on my telephone, but the night will surely be colder, and I'm bluer than blue, sadder than sad. You're the only light this empty room has ever had. Life without you is gonna be bluer than me now.
Good grammar and spelling are important, but if you want to write essays that inspire,
baby, I wanna show you how. Come on, you know that we've waited long enough, and now it's time for the lovers. I tried to be only one with you, and it's hard. Baby, it's worth it all for you. Making me wait for you this way, I can't go on. So come on and take me now, take my love, make come true the feelings I've been dreaming of. Take me now, take me fast. Trust in me, your love will never last. I know we haven't known each other long, but still something so right just can't be wrong. Besides, it ought to be up to me and you when it's time for each other. I live for the day that made us one. Look back I won't hold you back, Toto. If I had another chance tonight, I tried to tell you that the things we had were right. Time could erase the love we shared, but it gives me time to realize just how much you cared. Now you're gone, I'm really not the same. I guess I The love we had just can't be found. You know? Thank you, Brad Norman. God bless. Ayan, para sa inyo dyan sa Olongapo. Pero isa akong kakantayin isang Christian song. Maganda. I can only imagine what it will be like when I walk by your side. I can only imagine what my eyes will see when your face is before me. I can only imagine, only imagine. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus, or know if you be still? When I stand in your presence, to my knees will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? I can only imagine. I can only imagine. I can only imagine when the day comes and I find myself standing in the sun. I can only imagine when all I do is forever, forever worship you. I can only imagine. Yeah, I can only imagine. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus, or know if you be still? Will I stand in your presence, or to my knees will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? I can only imagine. Yeah, I can only imagine. Yeah, yeah. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus, or know if you be still? Will I stand in your presence, or to my knees will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? I can only imagine. Yeah, I can only imagine. Yeah, yeah, I can only imagine. Oh yeah, I can only imagine. Yeah, I can only imagine. Yeah, I can only imagine. I can only imagine when all I do is forever, forever worship you. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Brad Norman, yung ano, Never Thought, Dan Hill. Sa'yo. Can I touch you? I can't believe that you were real. How did I find you? You were the real. Thank you, Bro Norman. Salamat. Kung kailangan nyo ng mga business opportunities, mga investment, tsaka yung mga hindi networking, mga offer si Ma'am Dang. Business opportunity online o kaya ayan, meet natin din si Ma'am Dang Ray. Hello po. Ayan, mga lang tayo, mellow song lang. Kasi gabi na. Mellow, pampaantok. there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above us, only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's the countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for. No religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world is one. Imagine no possession, no need in wandering, no need for greed or hunger. Okay, Brad Norma, sige. Brotherhood of man. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world believes one. Yan, o para kay tatay. O para kay tatay ni Brad Norman. Love me with all of your heart. That's all I want, Lord. Love me with all of your heart. Oh, not at all. Just promise me this, that you'll give me all your kisses every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, oh, when you're near me, love me with all of your heart as I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment, for an hour. Love me always as you loved me from the start. With everything your heart. Ayan, para kay ano yan, Brad Norma sa papa niya. Just promise me this, that you give me all your kisses every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, oh, when you're near me, love me with all of your heart as I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment or an hour. Love me always as you love me from the start. Beat every beat of your heart. Yun. Ayun, Brad Norman, para kay tatay mo. And Aubrey was her name, a not so very ordinary girl or name, but who's to blame for a love that bloomed and bloomed, for hearts that never played in tune, like a lovely melody that everyone can sing. Take away the words that rhyme, doesn't mean a thing. And Aubrey was her name. We tripped to the light and danced together to the moon. But where was June? No, it never came around. If it did, it never made a sound. Maybe I was absent or was listening to the past, catching all the words, but then the meaning going past. But God, I missed a girl, and I'd go a million times around the world just to be closer to her than to me. And Aubrey was her name. I never knew her, but I loved her just the same. I loved her name. Wish that I had found a way, and the reasons that would make her stay. I have learned to lead a life apart from all the rest. I can have the one I want, or do without the best. But how I missed a girl, and I'd go a million times around the world just to say she had been mine for a time. Leader of the band. sorry. Nadighay ako. Lonely child alone and wild, the cup that make a sound. His hands were meant for deep and bright, and his heart was known to none. The love is known when it's known, the solitary lane. And he gave to me a gift I know I never can repay. Quiet man of music, the night the simple man. He tried to be a soldier once, but his music couldn't play. He earned his love through discipline, thundering down that head. The gentle music told me songs with me years to understand. Little rough but now this time, and his time's going on. But his blood runs through my instrument, and his bones in my soul. Life is metaphor and sound, imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy, the leader of the band. But lives different, they're another call. One went to Chicago and the other to St. Paul. And I'm in Colorado when I'm not in some hotel, living out this life I've just come to know so well. Thank you for the music, your stories of the road. I thank you for the freedom when it came my time to go. I thank you for the kindness and the times we get apart. And Papa, I don't think I said I love you near enough. Leader of the band this time, and his eyes are going on. But his blood runs through my instrument, and his song is in my soul. Life is metaphor and sound, to imitate a man. I'm just a living legacy, the leader of the band. I am a living legacy, the leader of the band. Yon, Kenny Rogers. All my life is a pavement, once plain, pure and white, till you moved with your pen, changing moods now and then, till the balance was right. Then you added some music, every note was a place, and anybody could first song. There was no harmony, it meant nothing to me until it came along. And you brought out the colors. Hi, Robbie. But a gentle surprise. Now I am able to see all the things that can be shining soft in your eyes. And you decorated my life, created a world where dreams are apart. And you decorated my life by painting your love all over my heart. You decorated my life. Hi, Robbie. Robbie Melody. Ay, congratulations sa mga achievements mo sa call center. Warrior is a child. Sige. Oo nga, kataan na soon. Robbie, sige. Magigan din tayo. Lately, I've been winning battles left and right. But even leaders can get wounded in a fight. People say that I'm amazing, I'm strong beyond beliefs. They don't see the inside of me, I'm hiding all the tears. They don't know that I come running home and I fall down. They don't know what picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword, cry, or just run. 'Cause deep inside this I'm born. The warrior is a child. Unafraid, because he's always the best. side they stumble. The war you is a child. O nga, Robby, kantahan na soon. Makabawi, no? Ayo. Ay, good morning nga ba? Good evening pa. Sa mga taga-Olonga po ng mga Gospelian Church of the Living God. Yun. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Ay, naku, nakakamiss dyan. Pupunta ako dyan talaga. Baka pwede na, no? So, kung pumunta dyan, bukas na. Sabado kaya, subukan ko. Sa Sabado, kung pwede na makapuntang Olonga po. Ayan. Maraming salamat, brothers and sisters ng Gospelian Church of the Living God sa Olonga po. At saka sa Gospelian Manila, Philippines. Hello! Ayan. Hoy, happy birthday, Brad Grande Alcazar! God bless you.
Would it be
saw you in heaven, would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. Oh, Brad Norman, isa pa, sige na. Isa pa, isa pa. Good night, everyone. Thank you, Brad Norman. Regards sa inyo lahat sa Olongapo. God bless. Bye-bye. Good night. Good morning na pala. Bye-bye. God bless.